So behind me here, this is a Sunmoto ground mount system. This particular one is going to be 16 panels, so just under 7 kilowatts of solar. Cool thing about these systems, ground mounts in the past, you've had to do quite a bit of excavation, concrete work, building footings for them. This system uses earth screws, so there's about a 5-foot long steel screw behind me that goes into the ground. The posts for the ground mount directly into those. Gives us a lot more flexibility on where we install them, and the ease of installation is significantly better. So this system here, the reason we're using a ground mount in this situation is we've got this big open clearing in the middle of the woods here and a new house. Unfortunately, that house's roof slopes to the north, which is not ideal for solar production. So in this situation, a ground mount's a great idea. We can locate it about 50, 60 feet over from the side of the structure, and then run a small trench back, which will bring the production from the solar panels over to the house's main electrical panel. Sunmoto is a company based here in Washington State. Pretty cool. We're also using locally manufactured solar panels. So these are coming from Silfab, which has a plant in Burlington, Washington. Pretty cool being able to use a lot of locally produced products in our industry. With solar in Washington State, there's quite a few factors that affect how much energy is produced on a given day. Summertime production is the vast majority of your annual production, kind of the shoulder season from probably mid to late March through about the end of October. That's for a couple of reasons. One, we get long hours, sunny days in the summertime. The other one that a lot of people don't think about is the angle of the sun to the horizon. In the wintertime, because of our latitude, we're tilted away from the sun, and so the strength of those rays is quite a bit weaker. We also get a lot of cloud cover and rain in the wintertime, as everyone knows, so that's going to limit production as well. The way solar works here in the San Juans is all the extra energy that you produce in the summertime that you're not using, you're able to bank with the utility. So they give you credit for the extra energy you produce. Anything that your house doesn't use passes through your meter back to the grid, and Opalco measures that and credits your account for that extra energy. This system here will probably produce in excess of 100% for this house. So while in the winter time the homeowner might be drawing electricity from the grid, they will produce so much extra in the summer that this should give them a full offset of all the electricity they use throughout the year. So this project is also getting a home battery backup. We're installing a battery from a manufacturer called Franklin. They are top of the line, kind of considered kind of one of the best options in the industry right now. They are manufactured in the United States, which is pretty cool. Allows us to avoid some of the tariffs that we see on batteries kind of in the current market. Franklin batteries are a 15 kilowatt hour battery with 10,000 watts of continuous discharge. So a single battery in certain circumstances can back up an entire home. Sometimes we install 2 batteries for whole home backup. It just kind of depends on the individual situation of each customer.